So my brother thinks he's a tech genius, right? He buys a smart fridge that's voice activated. He sets it up and goes. From now on, only I control the snacks. I wait until he's gone and teach the fridge my voice too. Every time I say, "Open sesame," it unlocks. He starts thinking the fridge is possessed. He even yells at it. "I'm the admin! Respect me!" Then one day, he changes the voice password to something only he knows. I sneak in later and just say, "Fridge open, admin override," and it opens. He loses his mind, takes it back to the store, yelling, "This thing is haunted!" Only for the cashier to say, "Sir, you left the override on in the app." He hasn't touched tech since